If you own a Peugeot e-2008, you know how quickly the backseat can turn into a disaster zone. This isn't just another flimsy organizer. It promises to transform your car into a first-class mobile office and dining room. The first thing that really stands out is the fit. This organizer is specifically designed for the 2024 and 2025 e-2008 models. And honestly, it looks like it came straight from the factory. It integrates seamlessly, which is a huge win because nobody wants a bulky, universal accessory hanging off their seat. Now let's talk about the feel. They opted for sophisticated leather here, and it definitely elevates the interior aesthetic. More importantly, it's incredibly practical. It's simple to wipe clean, meaning those inevitable road trip spills, coffee, juice, crumbs, are no longer a major headache. The star of the show is the foldable table tray. I was genuinely impressed by how robust this surface is. It's strong enough to reliably support a tablet for entertainment, or even serve as a steady workstation if you need to pull out a small laptop while waiting. This versatility is what makes it a true travel accessory, not just a storage pocket. They also packed some really thoughtful integrated features into this design. You get a dedicated cup holder, which is essential for preventing spills on bumpy roads. There's a built-in tissue pouch, a feature we always need but can never find, and a clear pocket that cleverly doubles as a hands-free phone stand. Everything is organized and within easy reach. And when you don't need the table, it simply folds away flat against the seatback. This is crucial. It virtually eliminates any intrusion into the passenger space, keeping the backseat tidy and maximizing knee room. That kind of smart design shows they really considered the passenger experience. Overall, this car backseat organizer is a premium accessory that genuinely enhances the functionality and tidiness of the Peugeot e-2008. If you frequently travel or have passengers in the back, this is a worthwhile upgrade that delivers on its promise of robust, multifunctional convenience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.